Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is in English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 4, and its title is Mobile Phone. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, under the title of grammar, we will learn about use of articles. Okay, my dear students, as you know that before in English for grade 1 we have already learned about articles, and we have got that where we have to use articles. So my dear students, I hope you remember it. If you will not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today what we are going to learn further, yes, identify and recognize the rules for the use of a, an, and the. Recognize that plural naming words do not take the articles a or an. So today we will cover up our these SLOs, my dear students. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 2, this is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those who are conscious of Allah. Subhanallah, my dear students, this is the book. So do you get that? Which book? Yes, this book means Al-Quran. So this book is a complete guidance for us. Okay, so if we have any problem, if we have any misguidance, so we can get guidance through this book. Okay, because this book will give us the way to live in this world. Okay, so this is reference. So the book, do you know that what is the? Yes, there is an article. Good. So let's see. Are you ready? Look at. Okay, so my dear teacher and my dear students, see there. What is this? Okay, good. Okay, let's see what is this. Yes, this is a board. Okay, and in which color is this? Let's see. Respond to your teacher. See that. Okay, this is a whiteboard. Good job. This is a board. This is a whiteboard. Next, wow. Now how many boards are there? 1, 2. So tell me, what are these? Good. Yes, these are boards and these are whiteboards. Have you got that, my dear students? Good. Now let's see what we are going to do. We are going to learn about articles. A is used before the consonants, an is used before the vowels. Okay. The articles a and an are used before a singular naming word. So have you got that? We are going to get about the use of a and an. Both have the same meaning, means one thing. Okay? A mean one thing, an mean one thing. But my dear students, its use is different. Where we have to use a, we have to use a before the consonants. As we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets, okay, out of which 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. Give us 5 letters, gives us vowel sounds, okay. So with consonant we have to use a. If the noun is being started with a consonant, then we have to use a. And if the noun is being started with a vowel sound, so then we have to use an. And keep remember, it's the thing must be a singular naming word. Okay, is it clear? Let's see through examples, my dear students. See there, a lion. Yes, you can see it is singular. How many lions? Yeah, 1 lion. So we have used there a. Why we have used? Yes, because there is L, and L is a consonant because our naming word is being started through L. Good. See next example. an alligator. Yes, but this is also one alligator is there, but we have used an. Have you felt difference? There we have used a lion and alligator. What is the reason? Yes, you are right, because A is a vowel sound. It is giving us a vowel sound. That's why we have used an, and both naming words are singular. Have you got? Good. Next. Now see how many lions? 1, 2, 3 lions. Got it? So we didn't use article there now. Got it? Because more than one. Now these are plurals. This S is also clearing that these are plurals, more than one. Is it clear? Next. See? Yes, alligators. Look at 1, 2, 3 alligators are there. Have you got? Good job. Next, the is used before particular objects. This is the map of Pakistan. Particular objects means particular naming words. Okay? The is used before particular naming words. When we give a particular name, so then we have to use the. As you see that this is the map of Pakistan, means it is now particular. Have you got that? Good job. Next, are objects that both the speaker and the listener know. And we use also the, my dear students, when I also know means I am saying something to you, so you also know about this. Then we use the. As we know, you see there, Ahmed, who let you to come in the school. So what does Ahmed say? Ahmed said, the guard. Okay, it means teacher knows guard and Ahmed also knows guard. That's why we have used the. Now you have got this. The is representing that object that both the speaker and the listener knows. Got it? It means teacher is asking, teacher knows guard, and Ahmed is informing that information, and Ahmed knows guard. Have you got it? Good job. See their articles, like you can say a pencil, an orange. Okay, the word. This is word map. Okay, the word map. Is it clear? Then we have to use the. Okay, so we can also remove that. This is the word. Have you got it, my dear students? Good. Now what you have to do, you have to fill on your book, pause the video, and on question number 5 you have to write a, n, and the, and then come back. Welcome back and good job. I hope you have done it. Let's see now. What's your homework? You have to write 10 sentences by using articles in your notebook. Okay? Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form, so that you should get that how much knowledge students have got about the use of articles. Okay? So what we have covered today? What we have covered? Yes, we learned the use of a and the with singular naming words. We learned that a and n are not used with plural naming words. And we learned that we use article the with particular naming words. We practiced the use of articles. And in this way, we have covered up these SLOs. Good job. You're very smart students. Okay? Good job. You have done it. So tomorrow we will meet again, inshallah, with a new lecture. So till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.